Hey guys, MD here. It's Super Bowl Sunday and we're going to enjoy some chicken wings. And today I'm going to try them in the deep fryer. We've had them like this once before, and let me tell you, they turned out perfect. And when I say perfect, I'm telling crispy, zero oil on them. It was fantastic. So I'm going to show you guys how we do it and how you guys can do it at your house. So we're just going to do a quick batch here. I've got 6 wings in there. And all you have to do is put them in a bowl. They're thawed wings, so don't put anything frozen in there. You can, but it's just going to take longer. And then I'm going to put a little bit of flour in there to dust them. No seasoning, nothing like that. Close it up in my container and just shake them up to give them a good coating. Easy as that. Open that up. You can see perfectly coated. Now we'll just go ahead and transfer them to my air fryer. Okay, before I put them in the air fryer, I'm just going to give like a little quick non-stick coating on the bottom just to keep it from going. And that is the only oil I'm going to put in there the entire time. And I'm just going to go ahead and individually place these in there so they're not touching. And we did this before. We did like 16 wings, and so they were crowded in there. And all we did was every 5 minutes or so we would we'd take it out and shake it and put it back in. And so, alright, I'm going to go ahead and, this thing's tricky, got to line it up perfect. Alright, so I'm going to cook this at 370, and we're going to go 27 minutes. And that's it. That's all the business. Every 5 minutes, I'm going to take this out, shake the wings, and stick it back in just so it gets the coating all over and it gets crispy everywhere. So let's go back to you. I'll come back to you here when we start shaking them. Okay, we're 5 minutes in. I'm going to go ahead and take these out and shake them. Just toss them around in there. As you can see inside of there, they're already crisping up. You can hear that, but oh man, that looks good. So get these back in their spot. It starts right back up. I love this one. You don't have to worry about any of the nonsense, but there we go. I'll bring you guys back when it's done. You guys get the concept. Every 5 minutes, toss it around, make sure it's crisping evenly throughout the entire wing. Alright, this thing's done. Just beeped. Just look at that. I'll show you guys if you can see that. Look how crispy those things look. Those look perfect. I mean, this is as crispy as you're going to get in a deep fryer right there, if you can't tell. I mean, that thing, jeez Louise, it's hot. But alright, I'm going to transfer these to the little Tupperware here so I can toss them in some sauce. I'm go ahead and pick whatever sauce you guys want to use. Let me move you guys over here. Alright, we got them in our little bowl. Just go ahead and add whatever type of wing sauce that you like on your wings. That should be good right there. That's actually a lot. So we'll put those on there, cover it up, and we're going to toss it some more just to cook those wings up. These are all good and coated. Look at that. Those are perfect. I mean, this is what you would get. Man, they are a little bit warm, but man, those look good. So, I mean, you guys can't do any healthier than that if you're doing chicken wings. It's breaded, so it's got some carbs. Probably not the best thing out there. It's got a lot of fat in it because it's the chicken wing, but there's no oil. This air fryer does it perfectly. Very, very crispy. Way better than an oven would do, and I love these things. So let's go ahead and sample these up, and I'll tell you how they are. Alright, let's give these a whirl. Oh my god, very hot. Dip them in your sauce. Look at that. Can you hear that? That is crispy. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Mmm. Tastes like it's deep fried, I promise you. You guys have got to try this. These air fryers are amazing. Oh man. I won't cook a wing any other way other than this from now on. These are perfect. I hope you guys give this a try. Very, very good. I appreciate y'all watching. As always, get your families outdoors, and I will catch you next time.